Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use content-aware fill in Photoshop to remove unwanted objects from an image. First, open your image in Photoshop. Now, look at the left toolbar. Click the Lasso Tool. This lets you draw a freehand selection. Next, draw a loose selection around the object you want to remove. Make sure you leave a little space around it. Now, go to the top menu. Click Edit. Then click Content-Aware Fill. The Content-Aware Fill workspace opens. On the right side, look for Output settings. Set Output to New Layer. This keeps your original image untouched. On the left, you'll see the green sampling area. This is where Photoshop pulls pixels from. If needed, use the brush to remove bad sampling areas. Watch the preview on the right. When it looks clean, click OK. Photoshop removes the object automatically. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.